Right guys, so basically on this map, if you can see, I'm here. I need to slightly come up that way a little bit. So if we go back on the path, I'll put the phone away after I've got this. So I've walked past the stepping stones apparently. But I didn't see them. I didn't see the stepping stones, mate. I'm not actually going to get the footage of the stepping stone. I just need to get up to that tour as quick as possible. Right, let's have a look. So I walk quite fast. Let me pull my trousers up. Right, let's have a look. That's it, it's here. Is that it? Jesus! That's not stepping stones, dude. Let me put my phone away. Let me just turn my phone off. You can have a look at that while I'll sort my crap out. Problem with the chest mount, the zips come up just under it. So let's turn my phone off, screen to screen. Right guys, I'll start back here. I'm just going to get some footage of this.